to Intermediate Level English Language Arts.
Hi guys, and welcome to English Language Arts Grade 4. Our topic for today would be forming and using tag questions. Right? So what are tag questions? A tag question is a question made up of a statement and a short question form attached to the statement. Alright? A comma separates a tag question from the statement. Okay? To use tag questions, guys, these are basically for you to ask a person so that they would agree or disagree with you. Okay? Now, it is made up of two types of statements. You have an affirmative. That means affirmative. That means it's positive. That means it's something that people would agree. Yes. Right? Or negative statement. These are statements that are negative, so that means they disagree or no. Okay? Here's how it looks like, guys, right? So we have two ways of writing it. We have either starting with an affirmative statement, following it up with a negative tag question, or starting with a negative statement and then following it up with an affirmative tag question. So here's how it looks like if you start with an affirmative statement. A picnic on the grass is fun, isn't it? Here, guys, you're asking this question so that the person would agree that the picnic on the grass is fun, right? So here, the affirmative statement, it's affirming, it's agreeing, it's positive, it's yes, a picnic on the grass is fun. And then negative, on the other hand, it's because you have the word isn't. Isn't, guys, is a contraction of the words is and not. Isn't, right? So there we go. A picnic on the grass is fun, isn't it? Next, the carousel goes round and round. That's your affirmative statement. Your negative tag question would be, doesn't it? Here again, we have this format wherein the affirmative, the carousel goes round and round, and then your negative tag question is, doesn't it? So therefore, you're asking the person to agree with you. You're trying to convince a person to agree with you that the carousel goes round and round. Next, the negative statement and the affirmative tag question. So negative statement, the air isn't fresh and cool. That's your negative. Why? You have the words isn't, is not, right? And then your affirmative tag question, is it? Okay? So here, you're trying to let the person disagree with you. You want them to disagree that the air is not fresh and cool. Or you want them to disagree with you by thinking that the air isn't fresh and cool as well. Same is true. Unlucky riders don't catch rings of gold. Do they? There we go. Here again, you're trying to convince the persons or the people you're talking to that the unlucky riders don't catch rings of gold. Okay? And these are different kinds of forming tag questions, and this is also how you use them in sentences. And that pretty much ends our topic for recognizing, forming, and using tag questions.